Hello, my lovely ELL students. I just want to say thank you for your patience this morning. I know the technology is frustrating, and I'm very proud of you for not giving up. And we will get through this. It's not the way I would like to teach. I wish that you were here with me in the room so I could help you, but we're going to do the best we can, and we're going to get through this, okay? So, some people seem to think that on days when we are not Zooming, that there is no class, which is not completely correct. So I want to show you what you should be doing on those days when we don't have class, okay? So we have class Monday, Wednesday, Friday for ELL and English 9. But then we don't have class on Tuesday and Thursday. But we teachers have been told to give you work. So you have work that you have to do in your home. So you should still be waking up early on Tuesday and Thursday mornings and going to Canvas to find what you need to do, okay? So I'm going to use the ELL class since you're all in the ELL class, but English 9, it's the same process, okay? So you go to your class, so you can see here I'm in my Canvas dashboard and I'm gonna click on the ELL class. And some of you had problems this morning with Zoom, so I just want to remind you to get into Zoom. There are lots of different ways. If you scroll down on this very first page that has my picture on it, if you go down, there's the Zoom link for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Tuesday, Thursday. It says work on your own. It's also here where it says our ELL Zoom room, and it's the same code for English 9 and ELL, so it's the same room. I use it for both classes, okay? But to see what you need to do, go to modules. And then I've got it broken down by day. So you just need to click on every day, okay? So today we went through this. There was the link to the Zoom room. There's that slideshow if you want to go back and look at anything for any reason. And then I think we all figured out how to make a copy of the Google Doc for your class, Intermediate 2 or Higher Intermediate, okay? So we've got that figured out for Monday. Now, I just want to show you what you should be doing at your house right now. And I'm going to use AirTA's. I hope you don't mind, but it was really good, so I want to show everybody. So the first box here, the learning goals, this is just for you to know what it is you should be trying to get out of today. So did you participate in your small group discussion? So you could just put an X here that yes, I did that. Or if you couldn't figure out how to get your microphone to work or something, you might say not yet. That's something I still need to work on. Did you figure out how to find information in a graph? You can check yes, I did that. Or if you could not figure out that graph, that tells me what I need to work on with you, okay? Now the first thing, the bell ringer, was to write about a time when you helped someone. So I asked you how you helped, how did it affect you. Intermediate 2, I asked you to write 1 to 3 sentences. Higher intermediates, yours was a paragraph, so make sure you've got 5 sentences. But this student wrote, I was at the rec and somebody asked me on how to play basketball, so I got out and worked out with him. It made me feel like I made a change. Excellent, that answered the question, right? How did you help? And how did it affect you? How did it make you feel? So the first thing you need to do every day is your bell ringer. So we're going to be doing this as other students are coming in. I know this morning some people were late. As people are coming in, you're going to be doing your bell ringer every day, okay? Now your group notes. So you were supposed to put a star next to the one that your group talked about. And then here's where he put his reasons. So they said 3 reasons why somebody might believe that, and they added their notes there. So that's what you should have done from your classroom discussion today when you were in a breakout room. And then we looked at this graph, and then he went in and he answered the questions. Based on what he saw in the graph, he answered. Okay? So that's what you should have done for today. Now tomorrow, if you keep scrolling down, it says home day 1. Now, if you go back to Canvas here, I've got it laid out the same way. So it says class day 1, Monday, Home day 1, Tuesday. So that means you're still learning, you're just doing it in your home by yourself without me, okay? You can email me if you want to get on Zoom and we can talk about something, we can do that. I'll be here at school, but you are at your house, you're not with the whole class, okay? Then there's class day 2 on Wednesday, home day 2 on Thursday, and class day 3 on Friday. So if I click on Tuesday, tomorrow's assignments, it says continue working in your Unit 4 Cluster 1 Google Doc. That's what we downloaded today. And complete the activities for today, Tuesday, September 15th. Completion of the activities is required to receive credit for this course. So this is not like last spring where you could choose to do it or you could choose not to. In this fall, it is required, okay? So if you go back to that Google Doc, it says home day 1. What's our goal for home day 1 on Tuesday? I can identify the features of a nonfiction text and analyze these features to determine main ideas and key details from a text. That sounds a little difficult, right? So here's my video lesson. If I click on this, you're going to watch a short video about text features when you're reading nonfiction. And then there's a chart here. So if you click on this, it will take you to a little something to read. Okay, so you'll need to do a little bit of reading. And then it asks you to do some practice. So you have to read this article and add some text features to it. So right here, I'm going to type a title. So after I read this, I'm going to think, what's a good title? And I'm going to add it here. Whatever you think the title should be. Then I'm going to break the text, part B here, break the text up into 2 logical paragraphs. Logical means where does it sound like that would be a good place to break it. So after you've read this paragraph, where does it seem like a good place? Would it be here? Did I make a new paragraph? Would it be here? You decide, where does it sound like that should be a new paragraph, and make a new paragraph. C, give each paragraph a heading. So what is this paragraph about? I'm going to put a heading here. And then if this is my new paragraph, I'm going to put a heading here. Okay? And part D, find a picture on the internet that would fit the article and paste it under the text. So I'm going to go to Google, and this is about softball. So I'm probably going to find a picture that would fit this, and then I'm going to paste that picture from Google right here. So if a student were reading this in a textbook, what I'm asking you to do is make it look like it would look in a textbook. Okay? So this is what you need to do tomorrow. And then if you keep scrolling, it'll say class day 2. So that's Wednesday. When we're all back together, this is what we'll do on Wednesday. Okay, we'll do that page. Keep scrolling down, home day 2. This is what you'll do on Thursday. Keep on scrolling, scrolling. Friday, this is what we'll do, okay? So everything that you need for this unit is going to be in this Google Doc. You need to share it with me on Friday, okay? So don't fall behind. You might say, oh, I'll just do it over the weekend. No, you have to give it to me Friday, okay? So please don't sleep until noon on Tuesdays and Thursdays when you have work to do, okay? This is difficult, I know, but this is what we're doing right now, and hopefully we'll get back into the building soon. But until then, you are your own teacher for ELL and English 9 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, okay? So again, if you have any questions, email me. If you want to talk to me tomorrow in a Zoom room, we can do that. Just send me an email message saying, hey, can I please meet with you in the Zoom room so we can figure this out? Whatever you need, I'm here to help, okay? But just keep checking Canvas for the Zoom link. Keep checking your Google Doc to make sure you're keeping up with the work, okay? I hope that helps. Have a very good day. See you later. Oh, and just to add, this is for every class. So like this afternoon, Monday is asynchronous time, meaning you don't meet in a Zoom, but your teacher has probably posted something to Canvas that you need to be doing this afternoon. So make sure you're checking it, okay? Check all your classes. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.